I'm not sure what's going on here, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right here. So I put it onto choke right now. The knob is kind of broken, but put it onto choke. Right, and then I got the button pressed, locked in. Can unlock the button. That's just an adjustment. Makes it easier. I can lock it in. Watch how it sounds. Hear it? Sounds like it wants to, but can't quite just get there. And then when I go off choke, it sounds a little bit more better. It sounds like it's about to start. It's not getting there. So, what could be the issue here? I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it apart, see where I can find the issue. I think it might be somewhere here. I'm guessing. Just gonna take it apart and see what's going on.